So hi everyone, today we're going to solve one famous LeetCode question which is the beginner friendly and which problem is coming under the array concept. So here we will see the problem statement. Here we given one array which contains some integers and one target which is also an integer. So what we have to do, so we need to return the indices of two numbers whose sum is equals to the target. For example, we have one num set which contains some numbers and one target element. So here the output we can see 0 and 1. So index 0 and index 1. Because index 0 here we can see the element is 2 and in index 1 the element is 7. So if we will add both of the elements, so we will get 9. So it's the equal to target. So that's the reason we got the output 0 and 1. So what is the approach? So one of the simple approach is the brute force approach. So the first idea is to check every possible pair using for loop. Why this works? It takes big of n square time complexity, which is not efficient to large array. So what would be the optimized approach? Instead, we can use a hash map. As we iterate through the array, we calculate the complement by subtracting the current number from the target. If the complement already exists in the hash map, we have found our answer. Otherwise, we store the current number and its index. So, so now let's code this problem. First, we will take one empty map. Then we will run for loop from 0 index to till length of the nonce array. Then in that for loop, we will get one complement variable, which will be the target minus current element. Then we will check in our map whether that complement element is there or not. If it is there, then we have to return the index of that complement element. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to add that number. Map.set. So let's run this program. Yes, here you can see it is successfully accepted. Now we have to submit that. Here you can see. So here the time complexity will be big of n, and the space complexity also big of n.